This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Mildred Mercado-Emory. Beautiful corner lot and home. Totally updated. Open floor plan with plenty of natural light. Large kitchen with granite countertops. Breakfast area and pantry. Beautiful laminated flooring throughout the home. Master bedroom with nice sized walk-in closet and plenty of windows. Updated bathrooms with the latest plumbing and light fixtures. Hurricane shutters on all of the windows of the home. Modern and beautiful light fixtures adorn the home. Recently painted inside and outside. Spacious yard with option to build a pool in the backyard. Carport and utility room add to the functionality of this home. Fully fenced yard. A must-see home. Show it with confidence. For more information, review the details below or contact Mildred Mercado-Emory at 305-785-3262.